Welcome to Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. I am Azlafa.
And I am Ayaz. And today we'll learn how to make fried chicken. So let's start.
So friends, for making fried chicken, I have taken 500 grams of chicken. In this we have to add our 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and half lemon. Now we have to mix it nicely.
We have to mix it well. And now we have to add
dhania powder, black pepper powder, kasuri methi, cumin powder, red chili powder and garam masala.
And now we have to mix it well. Now friends, we have to add for color Kashmiri Lal Mirch. Mix it well. With this, it will give color to the chicken. And now we have to add curd. See friends, it is even giving red color.
So friends, now we have to add 1 egg into this. So friends, we forgot to tell you that we have to add in this 1/4 of corn flour and 1/8 cup of maida. So now we are going to add it to give it a crispy coating.
So friends, now we have to mix it well and keep it for half an hour or 1 hour for marination.
So friends, please do not forget to add salt to the mixture. 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we have to take a wok, add oil in it and heat it. After that you have to add our chicken and keep the flame on low. So friends, now you have to add the chicken inside the oil and close the lid and keep the flame on medium and let it fry under pressure.
So friends, now remove the chicken pieces and keep it in a plate that the pieces of chicken becomes juicy and from out crispy. So friends, now let the chicken cool down for a while and we will fry it for the second time on a high flame. And now friends, we have to fry it again for the second time at high flame. And this time we have to not close the lid. Now friends, we have to take out the chicken pieces. So friends, now our fried chicken is ready.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz and enjoy this recipe and thank you for watching.